Hey guys, what is up everybody? Welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to talk to you about e-commerce, and especially I want to touch field of marketplaces, and especially I want to cover Amazon because if you're doing your business and if you're looking for international expansion, so probably one of the easiest way to go is to use Amazon for such goal. What Amazon should I use? Should it be Amazon US? Should it be Amazon Europe? Should it be Amazon UK? So where I'm starting from, we actually focusing our effort on Amazon Europe because we can see that Amazon Europe is kind of less competitive nowadays than Amazon UK or Amazon US, because it seems like everyone goes there because it's a little bit easier to enter, it's a little bit easier to work with, because in both of those marketplaces you have single language, which is English, and anyone who is speaking English like much easier can communicate, can work and promote their product. And also it's you're dealing with the things like import and export and then custom clearance and all this stuff. So like UK and US been a little bit easier for people to go with, and also consumption is really high there, and that's where like even you bring like almost any product there, you will definitely have success, in some fashion. We're talking about European marketplace where you have multiple countries and you have a number of marketplaces within the Amazon, let's say Amazon Spain, Amazon France, Amazon Germany, Italy, like all of those marketplaces. They seems to be operating the same way, but same time is different countries, and like some regulations are a little bit vary. And also you need to make sure that if you want to bring the product there, you need to actually adapt this product for all of those languages, which has become kind of competitive thing, so you need to make sure that your product is legal in all of those language groups. And also you need to kind of handle things related to the sales, because it's also subject of taxation. Like in Europe you have different countries, they all have like single or like European VAT situation, but still depends on the land, depends on the country, depends on the territory where you're selling your product, how you're selling this territory. It's become a little bit different because you need to manage not only on pan-European scale, but you also need to manage the way how you organize your workflow in terms of taxes and sales and transactions on each particular territory. And that's where European Amazon became a little bit more competitive to people to enter, but same time it's giving you opportunity to kind of compete in less competitive market, because when you have this kind of barrier, people not really willing to get there because they kind of I'm gonna look for an easier solution, and that's where people go. But if you're I would say if you're a smaller company, or if you like sole entrepreneur and you just want to start with something, I would really advise you to go for those like single language markets, for example UK or US, because it will be easier for you to set up a company even if you are not in those countries. So it will be easier for you to set up the company, it will be easier for you to start working with Amazon, to understand how things are working there, to understand how you communicate with Amazon, to understand what kind of difficulties you probably need to go through, or what kind of obstacles you need to overtake. And after that you can expand your business to European territory as well, because I believe if you're trained enough, or if you're well trained working with America or United Kingdom, you definitely will be much easier. It will be much easier for you to start working with Europe. And that's would be kind of like my vision, but we went like different ways. So we started from Europe, and then we kind of see an opportunity in UK and US, because now like listen, we started with the harder part, and now like we go into easier one. So it's quite different, but I would say that if you're starting your business, if you're kind of thinking, try to find where it's easier to start from, and then like go to the places where you already understand how things are working, but you imagine that it's going to be a little bit harder. So it's kind of like this workflow. Let me know, guys, if it's been useful for you. So leave your comments below this video. Also, any questions you have also below this video. Like this video and subscribe to see you in the next one. See ya.